आयज जो पंचायत इलेक्शन पळय आसा तो एक चडांत चड इम्पॉर्टंट इलेक्शन. 1959 पंचायत राज ॲक्ट घडून हाडलेले पंडीत जवाहरलाल नेरून तेचो हेतू आशिल्लो कितें सेल्फ गव्हर्निंग बॉडी म्हळ्यार कितें कोणाचोच पॉलिटिकल इंटरफियरन्स या पॉलिटिक्स या पंचायतीन सायडीक दवरपा जाय आशिल्लें आनी पंचायत हॅड टू डिसायड फॉर द इन दॅट जुडिक्शन. For example, whichever project comes in or whatever is good for the panchayat jurisdiction will be decided by the panchayat, including any mega project, let it be 3-year project or any other project from the central project. It was the panchayat who decided for the interest of the local communities in the jurisdiction. So I appeal to all the youngsters and the in general public to come out in one voice and support new faces. In fact, in Cansaulim पयल्यार आयज फॅमिलियरायज जालेले आसा आनी BJPचे पळय कॅन्डिडेट दोन स्प्लीट ग्रुप करून पंचायत इलेक्शन झगडटा. तशेंच करून आयज जे इलेक्शन टायमाक जाल्ले जे इलेक्शन जे वोटींग फुटून गेलेले परत हेच सिस्टम हो इलेक्शन जाल्लो आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता लोकांक भरपूर खबर आसा आनी आय एम होपफूल that the people of Cansaulim, Olencio, Sakwal, Izorsi and Kortali will vote the deserving candidate who has performed and new faces. There are a lot of youngsters. In fact, there is a 27-year-old girl who is contesting in Olencio and educated engineers. अशें करून आमचे थोडे candidate हिंगाचे. I'm hoping that these candidates will win and work for the interest of the village.
Today, what I felt coming here and standing, I was totally overjoyed. Behind my words, and I felt something is working for me. I'm 100% sure something is going to work out. Opposition have done lot of damage, but they will get the reply from the public. This is my word to you. The rest I will speak after the results. That's all. But I'm today very happy.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.